Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Solana to BullX from Phantom Wallet. So first, open BullX, then you'll be landed on this type of page where you need to press next in the bottom, and now it will provide you the QR code as well as your deposit address. So you just have to simply copy this address from here, and you need to make sure you have downloaded and installed your Phantom Wallet in your desktop. Now over here, you need to press the send button and select Solana. Here in the recipient's address option, you need to simply paste the address that you have just copied from. Over here, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. So I'm going to keep a max. Then you need to press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, it will show you that you are sending to this address, and this is basically your network, and this is the network fees. So you need to simply check on the send button and wait for some time until it's sending the transaction in your BullX account. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.